Hi guys and welcome to FlutterFeel, my new YouTube channel. In this channel we are going to talk about Flutter and all about this wonderful technology. With this technology, with one code base, we can develop app for everything: Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, iOS and web. The first things we are going to check together is how to quickly install Flutter on Windows. So let's dive in. Open your browser, search for Flutter, download. Open the Flutter documentation, select Windows, be sure to match the system requirements, that is operating system, the most important, Windows 10 or later on 64-bit platform. After that we are going to download our zip file. After the download is finished, open the download folder, double click on the zip file, left drag the zip folder and click on downloads. This is possible, if I don't get wrong, on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Click on local disk C, right click, create a new folder. I will stick with documentation and call it source, but you can name it as you want. Drag and drop from the zip Flutter folder in the source folder. After the extraction is completed, going back to the browser page, we need to do the last step, that is update our path. This step is important because you are saying to Windows where our Flutter folder is located. So, click on search, edit system environment variables, pay attention and be sure to work under user variables for our Windows user. If you don't have the variable named path, you need to create a new one. In this case, I will going to edit the existing one. Click New and then Browse. This PC, local disk C, Source, Flutter, and then I select the bin folder. OK. And now we are good to go. Open command prompt and execute the flutter doctor command to make sure the installation has gone well. From the output we can see a green check left on the Flutter voice, so the installation has gone very well. The Flutter doctor command has been executed. We are missing Android toolchain, Visual Studio and Android Studio because none of that are already installed on my machine, and we are going to see it in the future videos. For this video is everything. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and keep your notification turned on to stay updated with future videos.